you know, I condemn the killing and the brutality that went with it. Total, pwede ka naman pumatay, isang bala lang. It's really painful, and as warriors, hindi naman ganun. Tayo mo tao, isang bala eh. Hindi mo naman kailangan rakrakan yung mukha. That's very sad that that happened. And I am angry because apparently, if there's an agreement na huwag ka munang pumasok sa bahay ko hanggang hindi tayo nagka-areglo, huwag kang pumasok doon sa bahay ko. Like two neighbors, we used to be friends. You visit my house, I can enter your house. Nagkaroon tayo ng diferensya. So in the meantime that it's being fixed, you should honor the agreement. Yan ang problema niyan. Who ordered a poorly planned, or there was no plan at all, or it was a very reckless adventure.
There was a story today that said that Pinoy know about the operation and Purisima handled it.
Alam niya, I was just viewing the TV when before coming here. Alam niya kasi although not in so many words, slant na hindi naman, sabi niya, hindi naman lahat o operations kailangan pang presidente niya. Well, I'd like to believe him. Pero itong on the other end sa Malacanang o sa police, bakit hindi nila kinonsider yan? Or they could have requested the MILF, paski na hindi ito pa rin, na nandyan sa inyo yung mga bombers who were facing so many charges. Kasi pagka ganon, ngayon yung inatake doon, pumasok sila na na hindi dapat gawin. And to think that pati yung military were not properly informed, so they could not respond.